If you're seeing X or Twitter error code 215, don't worry. This usually means bad authentication data, and it often comes down to a browser issue, corrupted cookies, a time and date mismatch, or even a VPN or extension causing problems. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account and start using X normally again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, understand what error code 215 actually means. It's basically X saying it can't properly verify your login session or browser authentication data. That can happen if your cookies are damaged, your browser has old saved data, your system clock is off, or something in your browser is blocking the connection. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix this yourself in just a few minutes. Start with the most common fix, which is clearing your X cookies and cache. On your computer, open your browser and go to X or Twitter. Once you're on the site, look at the far left of the address bar for the padlock icon or the tune icon, depending on which browser you use. Click that icon, then choose Site Data or Site Settings. From there, look for the option to clear the saved data for X. Click Clear Data, confirm the action, and then close the browser completely. Reopen it, go back to X, and try signing in again. This step solves the issue for a lot of users because corrupted cookies are one of the main reasons authentication fails. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing to check is your computer's time and date. X relies on accurate system time to validate your session, so if your clock is even slightly off, the platform may reject your login data. On Windows, press Windows and I together to open settings. Then go to Time and Language and click Date and Time. Turn on Set Time automatically, and also turn on Set Time Zone automatically. After that, scroll down and click Sync Now under Synchronize Your Clock. This forces your computer to match the correct time with Microsoft's servers, which can immediately resolve the authentication problem. Now, if the error is still happening, try opening X in Incognito mode or a different browser. This is a very useful test because it helps you find out whether the issue is coming from your browser extensions. Open a private window by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N on Chrome or Edge, or Ctrl, Shift, and P on Firefox. Then go to X and try logging in again. If it works in incognito mode, that means one of your extensions is interfering. In that case, go back to your regular browser and disable extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or any VPN-related extensions. These can sometimes remove the authentication headers X needs to verify your session. Another important fix is turning off your VPN if you use one. X may flag certain VPN servers as suspicious, and when that happens, it can break your login token or cause error code 215. So if your VPN is on, disconnect it completely, refresh the page, and try logging in again. If you're on a work network or using any proxy-based setup, you may also want to test on a normal home connection or mobile hotspot, just to see whether the network itself is causing the issue. At this point, you should have a much clearer idea of what's causing the error. In most cases, clearing cookies, fixing your system time, testing incognito mode, or disabling the VPN will solve it. If one fix doesn't work, move to the next one in order, because the problem is usually tied to browser authentication and not your actual X account. And if this video helped you fix X error code 215, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and step-by-step tech solutions. I'll keep posting quick videos to help you solve problems fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.